Hi, I'm Ken Rule, Senior Applications Engineer for Expand Machinery. In this video, we will explain how to take the tool length offset manually on the GENMILL Vertical Machining Center. Start by calling up the tool you wish to set. Use a block or pin with a known value to use between the tool end and the top of the material you wish to use. I prefer to use a 123 block or a 1/2 inch gauge pin. Run the tool down to the material until you are below the gauge block. Push the block up against the tool. Move the tool in the Z plus direction until the block slips between the tool and the material. Slide the block out from under the tool and move the tool a couple of clicks negative until the tool is below the block again. Push the block against the tool. Change your MPG resolution to a smaller value and move the tool in the Z plus direction until the block slips through again. You can repeat this at a lower resolution for a more accurate measurement. A MPG resolution setting of ×10 or 1/1000th of an inch per click is usually sufficient. The tool is now at a known position relative to the material. In this case, the known value is 1 inch. We can enter this data into the tool measure page and let the control calculate the offset value. On the control, go to the setup page. Press the T measure soft key. Press the offset number search soft key. Key in the tool number you are setting and press input. You can also use page up down keys and the arrow keys to place the cursor on the tool offset number. We will be entering the data in the surface height to calculate the offset. Press surface height. Key in 1 inch if you are using the 123 block on the 1 inch side. If you are touching off the top of raw stock, you may want to add the material you wish to remove. If you want to take 50 thousandths off the stock you are currently touching, you would key in 1 inch 50 thousandths into the surface height and press input. The top of the part will then be 50 thousandths below the raw material. You will see the data appear in the surface height position at the top of the page. Press right offset to calculate the offset value and place it in the tool length offset. Repeat this for the rest of the tools. If you have any further questions regarding tool length offsets on the GENMILL VFM, please contact Expand Machinery. Bye for now.